Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Make Me Healthy. This video is on Corona, COVID 19. My name is Gaurav. Recently, today is 27th of August. Last Sunday, we got our reports for Corona is positive. So, we were diagnosed as Corona positive. We all, our family members, we are 7 family members, we all are Corona positive. But this video I am making to just spread this message that there is no need to worry, there is no need to make a hue and cry if someone is diagnosed as Corona positive. The people who don't have any ailments, any problems like diabetes, hypertension, problems related with heart or kidney related issues, if someone is not having such type of problems, then there is no need to worry. Even though there is diabetes, but it is under control, there is no need to worry, because these all things I am telling you with our experience. My father is diabetic, he is 70 plus and still he is fine. He has recovered early uh, before us. So the problems we are facing is like we did not face problems like runny nose, cough and cold, fever. Fever was there, but it was below 100. My children, I have 2 children. The younger one is a 5 years old girl. She recovered at the earliest. She got fever for around 2 to 3 hours, and nothing else. She recovered the same day. She she is as active as prior to that. My son is 10 years old. He also got recovered in a day or maximum next day. So he got fever around 100. My daughter got fever around 102 for around 1 to 2 hours. So, and my mother, my sister and my wife, they do not get fever more than 100, max to max around 100. My fever was less than 100. I shouldn't say that it was fever at all. It was below 100, and none of us took uh, antipyretic drug like paracetamol and all. And this feverish feeling, I would better say, because it is not measurable, but still only there is a feeling that I have got fever. So there was no need to take paracetamol. Nobody is having cough, runny nose, dry cough. There is no symptom at all, no symptoms at all like that. Only one thing is common among all of us, or the persons, or my friends to whom I have talked, and to whom who have suffered with this corona, they all were saying, and we all were facing that there was complete loss of taste. Not complete loss of taste, around 80% taste has gone, and 100% of smell has gone. So we actually cannot feel a smell. Even the intense smells like cold rub, like balm, which is used for headache. Beyond our surprise, there is no smell. We are not able to sense any smell to these cold rubs and balms. So you can imagine how the smell has gone. Slowly, now my smell has come back around 50%, you can say. My taste has also recovered, not completely, but around 80%. The sour taste, the sweet taste were intact, but bitter taste, salt, these tastes, there was complete loss almost. One more thing is peculiar about this corona. We are feeling weakness periodically, like every day in the evening after 1 or 2 p.m. this feeling starts that we are running low with energy, very low. Don't want to walk, only we want to sleep, just lay down on the bed or sofa. It's like that. We used to live at the ground floor, and when such weakness like feeling starts, I would say it's feeling in the sense even muscles also give signal like that. Like I used to stretch my legs, hands, the full body, I want to twist, like the whole body is means like say I used to run for run in marathon as well. So after running 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, the way I used to feel, in the same way I am feeling every day periodically. So you can understand. And in 4 to 5 hours this feeling just vanishes, and by 7 or 8 p.m. in the evening, we used to become perfectly all right. In the morning we feel like that we have just got rid of this corona. In today itself, I was today is 27th of August. In the morning I was doing some pranayam, some yoga. So, and I was not feeling much problem. There was little weakness I was feeling in the morning as well. I wanted to do push-ups, but in the evening it is just opposite. I can't even, I can't, I don't want to even walk. So this video I am making to just spread this message that no need to worry. See, slowly our symptoms are subsiding. It's going, vanishing. So what I am feeling that maximum 4 to 5 days we will all become normal, healthy. So the symptoms were coming since last around 7-8 days. So report came on Sunday. So only one thing is one message I want to give you: no need to worry. Just stay positive, nothing is going to happen. If somebody is having underlying illnesses, like as I mentioned, diabetes, hypertension, uh, cardiac problems, uh, kidney problems, then there is a requirement of care. uh, you need to visit hospital, doctors, you need to consult doctors. Otherwise, I think, as I witnessed, as I felt, that if such type of problems, you're not having such type of problems, then no need to worry. Nothing is going to happen within uh, 10 days, or within 2 weeks. uh, this will be fine, you will be fine. So that's all. uh, we are hoping that in next 4 to 5 days we will be fine, because day by day the symptoms are subsiding. That's all. So stay positive, eat we are feeling normal appetite. Our eating is as normal as earlier. uh, we are taking vitamin C tablets, ginseng, fruit juices, especially citrus fruit juices, eating lots of fruits, fresh foods. So that's it, and taking as much rest as we can. So if you do this, the symptoms will go quickly. No need to worry. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.